Hey everyone, so today I got here is a Sega Genesis controller for a computer. Just so you know, this is a USB. Alright, so you know, this is what the controller looks like. Alright, that's what it looks like up close. Sorry for the box is all messy because this thing is in a way, it's a barcode. That's how they shipped it out, I guess. But yeah, this is a pretty cool controller. Let's take a look on the back. And just so you know, it is a 8-button arcade pad with USB, so it is for PC, Mac, Steam, PS3, Switch, and Genesis Mini. Alright, so this is pretty cool. Just so you know, with this controller, it's basically plug it in and play on the emulators, so that's pretty cool. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take this item out here for you today. Alright, so let's see, where is it coming from? Alright, let's go ahead and open it up right here. Oops, one second. Here we go. I forgot that little piece of paper is in the way. Okay, so let's open. There we go, there's the controller. So I gotta take this thing out. Okay. So this is the controller right here for you today. Alright, so this is what it looks like up close. I know you can't really see it because I don't have a light or anything like that, but this is a pretty cool Sega controller. You got the 8 buttons right here. Actually that's 6 button, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you got your start and then your mode. And then you got your D-pad and you got your L buttons and all that. So that's pretty cool. Just so you know, it is a USB cable connect to your computer, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's a pretty cool little device here for you. I like the old looks of this controller today, but yeah, this is pretty cool. So a good Sega controller. So have you guys ever tried this controller? Because it's pretty cool. I think that's pretty much it today in this video about unboxing Sega Genesis controllers. If you guys want to see more, just leave a like and subscribe. And I want to say thanks for watching.